In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Google Ads. Google Ads is a powerful tool that can drive targeted traffic to your website, helping you reach your marketing goals. One of the critical elements of setting up successful campaigns in Google Ads is choosing the right keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that are used to match your ads with the terms people are searching for. Adding the right keywords to your campaigns can make all the difference in reaching your target audience. So let's dive into how you can add keywords to your Google Ads campaigns step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look for the Ad Groups section. This is where all your ad groups, which are essentially containers for your ads and their corresponding keywords, are listed. If you're running multiple campaigns, ensure you're looking at the correct campaign by checking the campaign ID or name at the top of your screen. After navigating to the ad groups of your chosen campaign, the next step is to focus on managing your keywords. To do this, click on Audiences, Keywords and Content. This opens a new section where you can see different aspects of your ad groups that can be adjusted, optimized or added to, including keywords and content that influences where and when your ads appear. Within this area, you're specifically interested in the Search Keywords option. Clicking on Search Keywords will bring you to a page where you can see a list of all the keywords you're currently targeting in this specific ad group. This overview is crucial for understanding which keywords are already in use and assessing their performance. Remember, adding new keywords is about complementing and refining this list to improve your ad performance further. Next, you're ready to add new keywords. Look for the plus icon, typically located above the list of existing keywords. This icon is your gateway to adding new keywords. Once you click the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select an ad group. This step is where you designate which ad group you want these new keywords to be a part of. Remember, your selection should align with the overall theme and goal of the ad group you're adding keywords to. After selecting the ad group, it's time to type in the keywords that you want to add. This step is crucial and requires thoughtful consideration. You should have done some keyword research beforehand to identify which terms and phrases your target audience is searching for. Consider the user intent behind keywords and choose those that closely match the intent behind searching for your product or service. You can add multiple keywords at once, separated by commas. Finally, once you've entered all your desired keywords, click on Save. This action will add your chosen keywords to the specified ad group. Saving finalizes your choices and updates your campaign with these new keywords, hopefully making your ads more relevant to your target audience's searches. I recommend regularly reviewing your keywords performance in Google Ads. This habit allows you to adjust your strategy, remove underperforming keywords, and add new ones as your campaign evolves. Remember, the key to a successful Google Ads campaign is ongoing optimization. That wraps up how you can add keywords to your Google Ads campaigns. Following these steps will help ensure your ads reach a more relevant audience, improving your chances of achieving your marketing goals. So take your time, choose your keywords wisely, and don't forget to keep monitoring their performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Google Ads campaigns.